Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. We are on the Market Intel website. When you register on our website, you can receive daily market updates, Elliott-Wave updates for free about different asset classes, different markets. You can see here we provide free analysis of 50 and more stocks, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. So when we scroll down here, you can see that we cover gold, oil, the S&P 500, NASDAQ, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. And it's 100% free. We give you trading zones, target zones, support and resistance levels, as well as our primary and alternative scenarios together with probabilities. Today, we want to talk about a cryptocurrency. So let's click on crypto. And here you can see the cryptocurrencies that are currently being updated, that have been updated in recent days. So for example, a few days ago, we covered Kronos, Ripple, Litecoin, Solana, Quant, Polkadot. Today, we're talking here about Chainlink. So when we click on Chainlink, then we can see the charts, the one-day chart, sort of the long-term chart, as well as the short-term 4-hour chart. When you register on the website, you can get access to all of this and you can read through our analysis. You can see our coordinates for trading areas. You can see the targets, support, and resistance levels, and also which coins are covered, for example, tomorrow. Okay, let's start on the one-day chart. First of all, you can see that the one-day chart shows the price action since 2019. And you can see it's quite a bullish chart. At least it makes a bullish impression because the initial move up here into the 2021 highs shown by green wave 1, that's a 5-wave move. So magenta 1 to 5 show this impulsive price action with an extended 5th wave. So that's bullish. It at least tells us that Chainlink can develop a bullish structure long term. We were then looking for a pullback in this bear market, which might be over. At the moment, the primary scenario is that the bear market low was formed recently, but we had a very long correction, a very complex corrective pattern that we label as a WXY structure. That is a complex correction. The Y wave itself consists of another correction, which is an A, B, C structure. And the C wave itself is a 5-wave move. And we could count 5 waves down in this C wave into the end of last year, indicating that this entire correction could be over. So we had a long-term accumulation area defined here that our subscribers could use if they wanted to add positions to accumulate for the 3rd wave rally. We can see here our long-term target for Link. You can see that there is a key resistance area highlighted here on the daily chart at $38.65. There are going to be smaller resistances along the way. For example, and the $18 level is one in the short term, $18.30. It's this previous swing high that formed in April 2022. But overall, the market is on a good way. It has left this accumulation area on the one-day chart and is on its way to that next resistance area. Obviously, that needs to break. It's the X wave high that formed in 2021 at $38.65. Once that level is broken, it increases probabilities further that our primary scenario here is being followed, and long-term bull market targets for this bullish cycle are between $100 and in an extended 3rd wave, possibly even up to $160. Now, with a 3rd wave, we always have to assume that extensions can happen. They cannot really be predicted, but typically what we like to see in a 3rd wave minimally is the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. Ideally higher, depending on the market conditions, cryptos like to exceed that sometimes. So that gives you an orientation of where we are currently looking at the bigger picture. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Here you can see the price action since June last year. And we can see that the market likely bottomed here in this wave 2 that we just saw on the one-day chart. And a new uptrend has started. We're currently tracking here a wave 1, again another 5-wave move just on the smaller time frame. The market rallied in a wave 1, bottomed in a wave 2 last year in September. We had a 3rd wave to the upside, and now again a very frustrating, you could say, correction in this wave 4, very draining, characterized by sideways action. Now a wave 4 oftentimes does that. The wave 2 is a so-called sharp correction. It was a correction with a clear low, you could say. These wave 4 corrections, oftentimes when a wave 2 is a clear corrective pattern with a clear low, then the fourth wave oftentimes creates a sideways correction. And you can see that here we have an overshooting B wave. It's a very complex corrective pattern here. But most recently, this wave 4 in magenta might have bottomed. And we defined here a trading area with our coordinates between $10.86 and $14.94, which is an area that you might want to use to add positions. You could set, for example, a stop loss 1% below that box. That's just a suggestion, a very generalized suggestion. You could use that, but we wouldn't recommend that to you. You need to decide if that works for you from your risk management and risk profile point of view. But it's an area where we see a good reward to risk ratio to trade potentially this fifth wave, which should go into the $20 range. There is a short-term resistance level here at $16.62 that needs to break next, and then we can confirm that this fifth wave is unfolding. So that would be the primary scenario, that this fifth wave is already unfolding. Now, if we break below this January low here, then it might simply reset the wave 4 a little bit lower. But ideally, the wave 4 should not break below our box, below the $10.86 level. We'd like it to hold that. And at the moment, we expect the market to turn around here in the box to start wave 5 soon. Maybe it already started, but we currently, obviously, together with the entire sector, see a little bit of a pullback. So we're watching currently for a potential reversal to continue wave 5. That's my update about Link. Hope you enjoyed the update. Feel free to check out the link in the description that takes you to dailymarketupdate.com. Here you can register and you get additional market updates for free every single day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.